Have you ever felt a sudden urge to call a friend or had an unexplainable sense about a new opportunity? That's intuition, often called your gut feeling or inner voice. It's a powerful, deep wisdom beyond logic, connected to something more profound. But in a world full of distractions, it can be hard to hear those quiet whispers. So how do you recognize when your intuition is guiding you? Here are some signs to look for. 1. A deep sense of knowing. Have you ever just known something without evidence to back it up? Perhaps you sensed that a person wasn't being entirely truthful or felt that a certain path was right for you. This deep sense of knowing is intuition at work. Often we try to rationalize it away, but remember, intuition operates on a different wavelength. It picks up subtle cues and patterns that our conscious minds don't process. For example, a job might look perfect on paper, but if you feel an uneasy sensation, your intuition may have picked up signs of potential misalignment. Trusting this feeling can prevent dissatisfaction, even if it doesn't seem logical at first. 2. A sudden urge to act. Sometimes, intuition doesn't just whisper, it shouts. You may feel a sudden urge to reach out to someone, take an alternate route home, or make a big change in your life. These urges may feel random, but they often guide us toward important connections or opportunities. For instance, if you feel compelled to reconnect with an old friend, it may lead to unexpected support or advice. Intuitive nudges feel urgent yet calm and may push you out of your comfort zone, helping you open up to new possibilities. 3. Vivid and symbolic dreams. Dreams have long been considered portals to deeper wisdom. While not all dreams carry significant messages, certain vivid or recurring ones can hold intuitive insights. Symbols, themes, and emotions in dreams may be clues from your subconscious. For example, dreaming about crossing a bridge might symbolize transitioning through a life phase. While dream dictionaries can help, trust your own interpretations. 4. Physical sensations. Our bodies often mirror what our intuition is trying to tell us. Have you ever felt butterflies when excited or a knot in your stomach when something feels off? These physical sensations are more than just random reactions. They're intuitive signals. A tightness in your shoulders may signify hidden stress, while a feeling of lightness could indicate you're moving in the right direction. Your body is a powerful tool for interpreting intuitive messages. 5. Synchronicities and coincidences. Have you ever experienced a weird coincidence, like thinking about someone just before they call? These synchronicities, or seemingly random yet meaningful events, are often signs from your intuition. They can feel like little nudges from the universe, affirming that you're on the right track. For instance, if you're facing a tough decision and keep seeing words or symbols related to your situation, take note. These are often subtle guides nudging you forward. 6. Strong emotions, both positive and negative. Intuition can trigger intense emotions, from sudden joy to a gut-wrenching feeling of dread. A wave of joy can signal alignment with your highest good, while inexplicable dread can be a red flag. Use these emotions as a guide rather than letting them control you. If a situation sparks intense fear or anger, it may be intuition urging you to establish boundaries or reconsider your path. Number 7. A quiet, persistent voice. Sometimes intuition is a gentle, repetitive whisper, like a thought or feeling that won't go away. It could be a project idea, a place you feel drawn to, or a conversation you need to have. This quiet nudge often sticks around, gently urging you to pay attention. Don't ignore it, as these whispers can carry valuable insights and guide you to take the next step on your journey. Remember, intuition is here to help, guiding you with wisdom and love. The more you listen to these subtle signs, the stronger your ability to interpret and trust your inner guidance will become. Have you experienced any of these signs? If so, feel free to share in the comments. As always, wishing you a beautiful day filled with peace and insight.